Hi, everyone, and welcome to the Maria Fontana Show. How are you guys all doing today? So, I wanted to talk about something that happened to me today. So, this show is all going to be about alignment, resetting. And here's a little story. I won't bore you with the details. So, I went to get my car serviced this morning, and outside of the normal service routine, the mechanics told me that I needed a new battery. Now, I immediately felt resistance and annoyed at hearing this. Now, hear me out on this and how this relates to business, growing, money, finances, and the things that we're doing daily in our lives. So I immediately had this resistance. I'm like, well, I don't want to spend the money on a new battery. Why do I need a new battery? How is it possible that I need a new battery? And I started to go down this like friggin' rabbit hole of bullshit, resisting the battery. And when I stopped and went inside and had awareness, I thought to myself, wow, it's a reset because my car, no matter how new it is, no matter how great it is, without the battery being optimal, is not going to run. It's not going to start. It's not going to bring me where I need to go. And it was like, bam, perfect timing to slap me, literally like, psh, psh, like wake up, smell the coffee, because here we, as entrepreneurs, as founders, as CEOs, as service-based business owners, we are constantly rushing, running, building, growing, creating, putting out fires. And our battery needs to be maybe not changed per se, but reset. And I thought, how interesting. I'm hosting the Power Reset free workshop and in the next coming weeks. And I thought this is like perfect timing because it made me truly be more self-aware for myself as an entrepreneur, thinking, what do I need to reset? Where is there resistance? So in the resistance, it made me realize that we all need to reset. We all need to reboot. So what does that look like as a business owner, as a successful high performer? It looks like actually stopping and reevaluating. Where are we going with our goals? Why are we even friggin' going there? Like, what's the reason why I'm doing this? What's the real reason behind why I'm creating this business, why I'm scaling this business? You really need to stop and go inside and retrospect and say, where do I need to reset? Because I'm guilty of this too, guys. We can constantly keep going, 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 trying to reach some pinnacle that when I get there, I'll be happy. But how about if we're happy and we learn to reset as we're getting to where we want to go and actually enjoy the journey? So, welcome everyone to the Maria Fontana Show. Today's all about resetting, stepping back into your power, and really being aligned with who you are today, what you need today, and what your business is going to look like going into 2025 as we're entering a new year, a new era, a new energy in business. For those of you that don't know me, I've been an entrepreneur for 38 years. I've been a brick and mortar business owner and an online business owner, and I've had massive success and I've had massive friggin' losses. I've had massive trauma, massive stuff going wrong, the poop hitting the wall, the fan, all of it. But I've had also massive wins in growing and evolving in excuse me, never fails. Oh my goodness, excuse me. Massive like growth in myself, in my own personal development, in how I had to show up for my inner game and what I was investing in myself to grow when things felt uncomfortable. So I want to remind you guys today to sit down and hit pause, to really think about where do I need to reset to get back my power, to reframe my energy, to tap back into my intuition, to really be the level of success, but yet happy inside in this coming year as a high performance entrepreneur, right? So if you're in the service-based business, you're constantly giving, you're constantly nurturing, you're constantly supporting people, helping people, loving people, right? If you're a salon owner, a spa owner, a financial advisor, or any type of service-based business owner, you're constantly giving. And in that giving, we sometimes get depleted and forget to reset ourselves. So here's a few things that I did to stop myself this morning from going into a tailwind of anxiety simply because I needed a new effing battery in my car. Okay. I had to stop, get out of my head, and get back into my soul and be like, wait a minute, why are you bugging out right now? What is this about? And when I did that, I started to take a few deep breaths, and it brought me back to some self-awareness that this had nothing to do with the battery. This had to do with my resistance to pausing and upgrading to the next level. So anytime we upgrade emotionally, physically, energetically, financially, it gets uncomfortable, right? You can't be comfortable and expand. You can't be comfortable and grow. It's just not possible. If you're constantly comfortable, you're not stepping out of your comfort zone and you're not expanding. So I took that deep breath. I got self-awareness. I stepped back and I said to the guy, let me just take 5 minutes to think about this. I went and sat in the other room. I took a few deep breaths and I quickly realized how crazy is this after all the personal development work that I've done, after all of the coaching I've done on myself, the things I've invested in, the hard inner game work I've done, I still got slightly triggered today when I was told that something needed to be replaced or reset. And that was mirroring what I am sharing today, how we all need a reset. Because just like my car, we cannot run on empty. Just like the car, we cannot run if our battery's dead. Just like my car, we cannot operate optimally if we don't reset our energy, take care of our inner game, and have a clear intention as to where are we taking our business? Why are we doing what we do? Does it feel aligned anymore? Over the years, with all the hundreds of clients I've worked with that are entrepreneurs and service-based business owners, a lot of them realized they just kept doing the same thing that no longer was serving them or no longer really worked. So stepping into your power means honoring what does your soul need today? What is aligned for you today? And what perhaps no longer serves you? And sometimes having a reset could be uncomfortable, but it's exactly what you need in this season of your life. So I am going to be hosting the Power Reset Workshop. This workshop is exclusively for established service-based business owners, CEOs, high performance leaders, anyone who's a founder, a leader, a entrepreneur who is ready to take their own inner game to the next level, to raise their energy for their playing field so they can strategize and create the business growth that they truly desire. Because, guys, I don't give a crap what anyone tells you, right? I'm in business 38 years, and your business and finances are only going to grow as much as you grow and work on your inner game, meaning your mindset, what you think about, how you talk to yourself every day, the people you surround yourself with, how much you tap into your intuition, and how much you allow your true being and authentic self to align with the goals that you're reaching. My goals are not the same as they were 6 months ago, and neither should yours, because we grow, we change, we evolve. And working on the inner game is just as important as working on the outer game. So I only do this workshop of limited times a year. I don't host this all the time, so this is perfect. I want you to go either above, below this video, register. It's free. The Power Reset Workshop for 2025. If you can't make it live, no worries. You get all the replays. This is a game changer for people. Hundreds of people have changed, shifted, and stepped into an energy that you can't even friggin' believe. You got to come to really experience it. We're going to be covering how to tap back into your intuition and make better decisions based on your gut, your GPS, the gift that we all friggin' have. You all have it, every single one of you. That is number one, what we're going to be covering in the Power Reset Workshop. I'm going to help you actualize and realign your vision and your goals that fit what you need today. So, realigning your vision and your goals for where you are today and for what's going to fit what you desire in your business. And I'm going to help you reframe your mindset, meaning the way you think, for success. Because if you don't reframe your mindset and doing the same things over and over, think about it. If you're doing the same thing over and over and you're looking at this thing, right? It's like me grabbing my cup of coffee and being like, okay, well, my cup of coffee was empty today. And I just keep looking in the cup and saying, well, it was empty. And then I put it down, then I pick it up again, and it's still empty. That's me doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result. That is insanity. So by reframing our mindset, I'm going to be like, you know what? I'm going to have to change this up. Let me stop what I'm doing, go fill up my coffee cup, and then I'll have some beautiful, delicious coffee to drink because I reframed my belief about what should be happening in the cup. Like if I'm sitting here thinking the cup's going to fill itself, it's not gonna. I hate to tell you that. So I want you guys to head on over right now. I want you to register for the free Power Reset Workshop. This is a game changer for all my founders, CEOs, entrepreneurs, service-based business owners. I want you to get yourself ready to kick butt in 2025. And remember, I come to you with a big heart, with lots of experience and tons of gratitude. I've been up, I've been down. 3 decades of business, entrepreneurship, and personal development has taught me a lot, and I'm here to share everything with you. So, guys, make sure you head on over right now above or below this video or below this podcast and register for the Power Reset Workshop. There are replays, it's absolutely free, and it will change your life. So, guys, thank you again. I am loving every single one of you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here with me today live. I see you guys all coming on now. There's a slight delay. Again, thank you for everything. Thank you for being part of my community. If you don't already follow the Maria Fontana Show on your favorite podcast channels, head on over and do that. You're missing out. You can watch these live videos also on YouTube. And as always, remember to share, 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 because sharing is caring. Head on down and register for the Power Reset Workshop. I can't wait to see you guys on the inside. See you guys next week. Thanks for watching, everyone. Lots of love.